Good morning everyone. In this video, we are discussing the question answers of chapter number 1. First question is what is globe and how it is useful? So see the answer here. Globe is a small model of earth and its shapes round and like the earth. So you have to write the answer up to here. After that, what are the uses? It shows the correct shape, correct location and size of continent. So it shows the correct shape, location and size of continent and ocean on the surface of the sea. So answer is this. Question number 2. What are the limitations of globe? These are the limitations of globe. It is very difficult to carry around. कि आप globe को carry नहीं कर सकते. Globe, we can see only half part of the globe at one time, and globe cannot show smaller towns or landforms. So these are the 3 demerits of globe. You have to write 3 points: first, second and third point. Next, question number 3. What is map? Answer is map is a flat drawing representing the whole or part of an area on a flat surface. This is the definition of map. Now the first question is what is a map? Why is a map more useful than a globe, right? So you have to write the merits of map that So you have to write the merits of map. Maps tells us a very simple way the shape and size of country. Number 1, maps tells us the shape and size of countries and distance between the places. Next, a map show a smaller area with greater details. Map are easy to carry and map can show the location of different features like mountain, desert, etc. So these are the reason why maps are more important than globe. Question number 5. Why are symbol used on map? कि map पे different symbols क्यों use होते हैं? Answer is it is not possible that we can show all the feature of an area in their actual shape and size, so we use symbol to represent the natural or man-made feature on the earth such as building, road, rivers and etc. So these are the importance of symbol on the map. Next is what is meant by scale of a map, right? So you have to write the answer that what is a scale? Scale is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and distance shown on the map. So this is the definition of scale. So how do we find the major direction of map? This is 7th question. So this is the way how you show the various direction on map. Like first of all you have face towards the north, and after that at the back south direction is situated, and at the right hand side east direction and left hand side west direction. So in this way you can find out various direction on the map. Our 7 questions are completed. Now we will do exercise of this chapter. See, we'll do fill-ups. The 2 endpoints of axis on a globe are called poles. So what is the answer here? The answer is poles. And second one, first का आंसर poles हो गया. If we know the dash direction on the map. ठीक है, कौन सी डायरेक्शन मैप की पता होना चाहिए आपको? नॉर्थ. सो आंसर इज नॉर्थ. ओके. North, north. Next one is a dash map shows the landforms like mountains, plateaus, plain or desert on the map. कौन सा map landforms show करता है? So the physical map or political map, you will write here physical map, PHY, physical map, right? After that, a map that shows the boundaries of countries or state and their capital is known as, वो मैप जिसमें बाउंड्रीज बताई जाती है कंट्री की और कैपिटल्स बताई जाती हैं, उस मैप को कौन सा मैप बोलते हो आप? पॉलिटिकल. ठीक है, पॉलिटिकल मैप. आफ्टर दैट नेक्स्ट वन इज फिफ्थ वाला देखो. अ डैश कलर ऑन द मैप इज यूज टू शो द वाटर बॉडी. I think everybody must know that we use blue color, right, on the map to show the various water bodies. Water bodies के लिए हम blue color use करते हैं. The dash of a map is a ratio between the actual distance of two places. क्या चीज़ होता है जिससे हम actual distance और distance shown on map को use करते हैं? That is scale, right? तो क्या चीज़ हम use करते हैं? Scale, SCALE, scale. So these are the answers of Phillips. Now match the following columns. Green कलर से क्या शो करते हो आप? ग्रीन से हम शो करते हैं. Now we are discussing here the matchup. फर्स्ट वन ब्लू कलर किस चीज़ के लिए शो कर रहे हैं? ब्लू कलर इज यूज टू शो वाटर बॉडीज. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज राउंड? ग्लोब इज राउंड इन शेप. ब्राउन से क्या शो करते हैं आप? माउंटेन्स, राइट. फ्लैट क्या है इसमें से? प्लेन्स और मैप? फ्लैट इज मैप. नेक्स्ट वन ग्रीन क्या चीज़ है आपके? प्लेन्स. सो प्लेन एरिया इज शोन बाय ग्रीन कलर. ओके. In question number D part, what you have to do here, you have to write the difference between globe and map. Like you have to compare the shape of globe is round and the shape of map is flat. It shows it is same as the shape of earth. It is here the shape of earth is, it is not as per the shape of earth. It is difficult to carry. It is easy to carry, right? So in this way our exercise of full chapter is completed. Thank you.